Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about the sounds V as in V and F as in F. So let's say the V sound. Say that with me. V. Notice when you say the V sound, if you put your hand on your throat, you can feel a vibration. That's a busy sound. You hear that vibration when you make that V sound. Let's say the sound. Say it with me again. When you say the sound and you put your hand on your throat, you won't feel that vibration. The sound is not a busy sound. So say the pair of words with me. Van, fan. Notice the sound when we say van. Notice there is no vibration when we say fan. Vat, fat. Notice the sound when we say that. There is no vibration when we say fat. Vine, fine. Notice there is a vibration of sound when we say vine. There is no vibration when we say fine. Views, fuse. Notice the vibration when we say views. There is no vibration when we say fuse. Vain, fain. Notice the when we say vain, that vibration. There is no vibration when we say fain. Vault, fault. Notice the vibration when we say vault. There is no vibration when we say fault. So how to spell the V sound? So we have V as in V, is that meaning it's just spelled with the letter V, and we have the word van, vet, and vase. Then we have V as in VE, meaning that the words are spelled with the VE, but it still makes a V sound. We have sleeve, curve, 12.